Welcome to English Stories. This channel is more than just stories. Here, you don't just listen, you feel. You learn English with ease and entertainment. And you understand life through real emotions, real mistakes, and real lessons. Take a deep breath and let this story speak to your heart. Have you ever trusted someone so deeply that you ignored every warning, every red flag, every uncomfortable feeling in your heart? Sometimes the worst decision of our life does not look dangerous at first. It looks like love. It sounds like care. It feels like safety. But when reality arrives, love disappears and pain remains. This is my worst decision. He noticed her long before she ever noticed him. Every morning, she walked the same road to her office. Her steps were fast, her eyes tired, her mind already full of responsibilities. She was not trying to attract attention. She was just living her ordinary life. He stood near the corner shop every day, pretending to be busy on his phone, waiting for her to pass. The first day he spoke, she ignored him. The second day, she avoided eye contact. The third day, she answered politely and walked away. But he didn't stop. He smiled warmly. He spoke softly. He never raised his voice or crossed limits at the beginning. He said small things that slowly entered her mind. You look strong. You look kind. I like the way you walk with confidence. She said no many times. She told him clearly she was not interested. She said she didn't believe in quick love. She said she didn't want complications. He listened carefully. Or at least, he acted like he did. He started appearing everywhere. The same bus stop, the same coffee stall, the same road. He remembered details she never told him directly. He asked about her day. He waited when she was late. He texted to check if she reached home safely. Slowly, his presence became familiar. And familiarity can be dangerous. People often say persistence is romantic. Movies teach us that if someone keeps trying, it means true love. She believed that lie. Weeks turned into months. Her resistance became weak. Her loneliness became louder. And one day, tired of fighting her own emotions, she said yes. She thought she was choosing love. She didn't know she was choosing pain. In the beginning, everything felt perfect. He called her every morning and every night. He sent long messages filled with care. He listened to her fears. He praised her strength. He told her she was different from everyone else. He spoke about marriage as if it was already decided. He talked about a future with so much confidence that she never doubted him. She trusted him. Slowly, she started changing. She stopped meeting friends. She hid things from her family. Her world became smaller, and he became the center of it. When he was happy, she felt complete. When he was upset, she felt guilty. When he didn't reply, she blamed herself. That is how emotional dependence begins. Quietly, invisibly. Their relationship became deeper. She hesitated when things turned physical, but he reassured her with words she wanted to hear. I love you. I'm not going anywhere. We belong together. Love made her trust words more than actions. Time passed, and small changes started appearing. He stopped calling first. Replies became short. Meetings got cancelled. Whenever she asked, he said she was overthinking. He made her feel ashamed for asking questions. So she stayed silent, believing that patience was love. Then one morning, She felt different. At first, she ignored it. She told herself it was stress. But deep inside, fear was growing. Days later, the truth stood in front of her eyes. She was pregnant. Her hands shook. Her heart raced. Fear and hope collided inside her chest. She imagined his reaction. She imagined shock, worry, but also responsibility. After all, he talked about future. He promised never to leave. She called him. No answer. She messaged him. Seen. No reply. Hours later, one message arrived. We need to talk. Those 4 words felt heavier than any punishment. They met in a quiet place. She was nervous, but hopeful. He looked distant, cold, unfamiliar. She told him slowly, carefully, like holding something fragile. I'm pregnant. Silence filled the air. Then he asked a question that shattered her soul. Are you sure it's mine? That moment changed her forever. She cried. She reminded him of promises. She begged him to take responsibility. But his love vanished the moment responsibility arrived. He said he wasn't ready. He said it would destroy his life. He said she should handle it alone. Handle it. As if it was not his child. As if it was not his decision too. After that day, he disappeared. Calls went unanswered. Messages were blocked. Excuses came through mutual friends. And then, nothing. She stood alone. Society judged her. People blamed her. Some said she trusted too easily. Some said she deserved it. No one asked where the man was. She faced sleepless nights, silent tears, and loud thoughts. She questioned herself again and again. Why didn't I listen? Why did I ignore the signs? Why did I believe so blindly? That was when she understood the truth. Persistence is not always love. Promises without actions are lies. And love without responsibility is cruelty. Her worst decision was not loving him. Her worst decision was trusting someone who loved words more than consequences. If you are listening to this, remember this lesson. Love should make you feel safe, not afraid. Love should bring responsibility, not abandonment. And if someone pushes you again and again without respecting your boundaries, that is not romance, that is a warning. Choose wisely. Because some decisions don't just break hearts. They change lives forever.